Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. How are you all doing? Hope you all are fine. So today it's a vlog video, like it's a Saturday weekend precisely. So I have so many things to work on, to take care of, and I want to carry you people along. So my hair is so bushy, so I just put it in protective style for like 2 weeks now. Actually today is my wash day, so I want to show you people how I take care of my hair during my wash day. So I'll be doing a protein hair mask. So I want to show you how and what I am going to use in doing the protein hair mask. And I will also carry people along. It's a vlog today. I also carry people along to show you what my day look like on the weekend, staying with 3 kids in Europe. So guys, without wasting your time, please, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please consider subscribing. Click the bell notification to always notify you whenever we post any new video. So let us dive into the business of the day. I've just laced my hair from the protective style and I just combed it now. So let's make the protein hair mask because my edges fall that not now, it's already growing back. After having I thought maybe my edges fall back, so I used to do the hair protein to help me grow the hair back. So I'll be showing you all the things I add in my hair mask while preparing it. So let's get into the business. So I'll be making use of avocado. That's my first ingredient. I'm making use of 2 ripe avocado. And avocado has so many benefits when you apply it on your hair. It has biotin, that is vitamin B and vitamin E. It also protects the hair from damaging and strengthens the hair. The vitamin B is so essential for hair growth. That is, it helps the hair to grow, and the vitamin E help repair damages on the scalp, which may slow down or prevent your hair from growing back. So my next ingredient will be egg. I'll be adding 1 egg, which makes the hair thick and healthy because it contains vitamin A and E. I will also add in the Dark Jamaica castor oil. This one is a mango and lime. I will be adding 2 tablespoons. I will also add in coconut oil. Add 1 tablespoon of honey, and I will blend everything together. So at this point I am done blending, so I'll be bringing it out in my bowl. As you can see, it's so creamy, so smooth, like it's like I bought it from the shop. As in, I was so impressed, and I love the texture after blending it. So after doing, I will start applying it into my hair. I will first of all spray some water on my hair to make it soft before I start applying it. As you can see, I'm going to spray my hair with some water. Before I will start applying it, I will start from my scalp down to the tips of my hair, and after applying it, I'm going to massage it into my hair, cover it to sit for like 1 hour, depending on how many hours or
how many hours or minutes you want to carry it, but for me, I know I have some things I need to do, so I will carry it for like say 1 hour before I can go and wash it out. Just please guys keep watching, so you will see how everything, how I applied and how it looks like after applying it. So now we are doing the laundries. I asked my babies to bring out the clothes, separate it, and my chairman is putting the first bag into the washing machine so that we can start.
This is how I've been carrying it. It's almost 1 hour now. I'm going to remove it because I want to go and wash it off. I want to show you how it looks like after 1 hour. This is how it looks. As you can see, yes, after 1 hour, it's as if I relaxed my hair. My hair is just so silky. So this is how it looks like. So now I'll be going to wash it, and after washing it I will get back to you guys to show you the results after this protein hair mask. Okay guys, so it's Saturday morning and I love taking care of my face. As you can see, I have some spots to work on it. In here is some baking soda, half teaspoon of baking soda. I will add half teaspoon of coffee, normal coffee that we use. See, I will mix everything together. Then I will mix it with a little amount of plain yogurt. I hope you can see that. Then I will add a little amount of coconut oil, and I will mix everything together. So this is how it looks like. I don't know if you can see this one. This is how it looks like. Honestly, I really want to try this recipe and see how it will go on my face, because
I love making my own face masks at home, and it works perfect. So this is what I'll be using for today. Now I have my brush. I am going to go with it. I've already cleaned my face with my face cleanser. So this is my real face now. So this is my face. You can see part of it has dried. So I literally want to go and take my basin because I want to wash out my hair mask. So this is how it looks like. But if you can stay more than 20 minutes, it's okay. But as you can see, some have not yet dried very well. But at this point, this is how my face looks like. So guys, let's wash it off and see how it looks like. See you guys. This face mask is so active, and I'm loving it because it keeps my face shining and help me remove some of these unwanted black spots. Please guys, you can try this and thank me later. Hair, I'm so loving it. This hair mask actually works so very well. I will honestly need to retry this again and again because I see the effects. It helps my hair, strengthen it. Honestly, I'm loving this hair mask. You guys need to try this. It helps stop breakage, hair damages. It helps your hair to be strong, strengthen your hair, and give you a better hair look. I'm loving it. Okay guys, thanks for watching my video, and see you guys in our next video.